The Perco X, a lightweight gun for heavy-duty price marking. The Perco X gun allows you to print a variety of information and apply it quickly and easily time after time. How to load the Perco X. Reach into the thumb hole and lift the spindle cover. Turn the gun around, and on the other side, you'll see the spindle that holds the label roll. Now turn the bottom of the gun upwards and open the outer base plate. You'll see the inner base plate facing the opposite direction. Lift the inner base plate. Turn the gun upright again. You should be able to see straight through the body of the gun. This is where the labels feed through. The key to properly loading the gun is that when you're looking down, you're going to see straight through the gun to the floor below. As long as you feed the labels here, the gun will work flawlessly. To load the labels, pick up a roll of labels and pinch the end of the roll, making a small fold. This will make it easier to guide it down the center of the gun. Put the roll onto the spindle and bring the end into the center and feed it through the body of the gun. The labels will pass straight through. Pull the labels across and close the outer base plate. Turn the gun over, close the inner base plate, making sure that the labels are centered. The labels should be in the center of the plastic teeth. Your gun is now loaded. If the labels aren't advancing, gently pull them through. To change the price, simply pull out the knob and turn until the character you wish to print is showing in the window. The band will only print when the white band is showing. When you have made your selection, make sure to push the knob back against the carriage of the gun or it will not print. Push it back in, it will print beautifully. Perco X, a lightweight gun for heavy-duty marking.